Hello. After I'm the psychology star Mayerlyn Gonzalez. I'm from Cucuta, but I live in Cartagena, Colombia. I'm a police woman. I'm 25 years old. My home in Cartagena is apartment type. It's composed of two rooms, two bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen. It is small but is very beautiful. A normal day of my routine is to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I take a shower, I prepare breakfast, and I go to the office to start my work in the police command. At lunch, at home, and I give the blind. I go back to work, and then I leave o'clock. I get home to rest. I do dinner and I get ready to do university work. I go to sleep at 11 o'clock. The Cartagena city a tourist is very visited, being cultural heritage, yeah, and for its beautiful beach. It is somewhat expensive because of the aforementioned. Its climate is warm, warm, and it is inhabitants a very cheerful people. Thank you for your attention.